How to fix Telegram connection timeout errors. Connection timeout errors in Telegram usually happen when the app cannot reach Telegram servers within a certain time. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi. Try clearing Telegram's cache from your mobile settings to remove corrupted temporary data. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily because some VPN servers cause connection delays or block Telegram traffic. Updating Telegram to the latest version can fix bugs causing timeout errors. Have you experienced connection timeouts on Telegram? Share how you fixed it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.